Hello everybody, my name is Mitchy and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank: A Crack in Time. We are on Vorsalon's warship. We need to get Azimuth. Oh wait, hold
Baby
on.
here deals maximum damage. For a fair price, of course.
I love buzz blades.
Snoop around, Chief.
Oh, no. We're saving up for that. I love the buzz blades. That will... Whoa. Zircon. Holy shit. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, this is a 3-round burst. I thought I was just holding it down. Okay. Oh, there's more of them. Oh, do we have enough for buzz blades? I certainly hope so. And whoa! What the hell? Let's go with this. Yes. God. Oh, those robots just die instantly. Okay, hold on. I definitely have enough for the buzz blades.
Snoop around, Chief.
Yes, give it to me.
Buzz blades are perfect for taking out hordes of enemies. Just hold down the trigger to fire the blades, and watch as they ricochet off everything they come into contact with. Before you know it, you'll be the last Lombax standing. Buzz blades, available only at GrummelNet.
I love buzz blades. I think that is my favorite weapon.
What can we do?
I think that buzz blades are my favorite weapon in the entire game. I fucking love the buzz blades. Oh, so you shoot one and then it comes back and it hits multiple enemies. And that's how big they are. Very disproportionate compared to how much you shoot, but that's alright. Oh, we are gonna level these up so fucking fast. And oh my goodness. Holy shit. Oh, he's dead already. Oh, he's not fucking dead. Whoa. Zircon, come out here. Get the dynamo ball. Shoot that. Get that out. Oh. Oh my god, Mr. Zircon, you just talk. God damn. And we're already up to that many bolts already. Okay, health and ammo. You love to see it. Activate. Aha. Come on. Oh, I love the buzz blades. There's also a weapon that is just a gigantic saw that we'll be able to get sometime in the future. I can't remember how you get it, but it's like and just shoots a huge blade, like a huge saw blade. Ow! Well, thank God I used that heal.
We shouldn't be friends.
Whoa. I love how you can dodge bullets in this game. Oh, there we go. Away. Oh god. Nope. Oh. You hate robots. Wait, you are a robot. You are a robot. Oh well, he's alright. I guess he doesn't like his own kind. Oh, wait, do we still have oil? Oh, no, you lose what you have in it when you go to a different location. Huh? Buzz blades. Ah, here we go. Conveniently, there's oil there. Oh, there we have it. Yeah. And around to this one. Last button. No, you don't. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Ow! God, they basically hit us with huge spinning blades. We already have 10,000. God damn. Elevator time. Are we in? Yes, we are in. Looking good, Ratchet. We're gonna need to get some bolts up to be able to buy the next armor upgrade. It's the orange armor, I think.
Welcome back, Chief.
Yep, we don't need to get anything here. The Groovatron glove would be pretty cool to have, but... Oh, wait.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Oh, this is a fight.
You lasted much longer than I expected. Azimuth has taught you well.
Where is he, Porcelain?
Let's see, now where did I put him? There's the airlock, there's the torture chamber, the day spa. Tell me what, defeat me and maybe I'll tell you.
Uh-huh.
The killing, miserable space rat.
Uh-huh. Ow. God, ow. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, buzz blades. Ow.
Allow me to show you the latest upgrade.
Oh. Upgrade again. Oh. Ow, god damn it. Ow, god damn it. Damage to him, come on, damage. Yeah. Oh shit, where is he? 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 Oh, I don't know where he is. Where the hell is he? Oh, he turns invisible. Give me them. Oh. Ow. God damn it. God, he just keeps going away. Come on, he's dead. He has to die. Oh, he keeps going invisible. Come on, stop it. You can hear him running around. Come on. Oh, fucking right in front of me. Holy shit. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Oh, stop going invisible. Couple more shots and he's dead. Just a couple more. You know what? I reckon Zircon can do this. So whenever you defeat him, his body just breaks and his head just flies away. So he's basically an unkillable enemy, sort of. Up we go. Wait, is there like a bolt somewhere here? I swear there's a bolt in like a hidden place on Vorsalon's ship. It might not be here. I can't remember. Oh, what was in there? Ah, this is the way to go. Huh.
Mr. Zircon requires no
Ow.
to survive. Mr. Zircon lives on fear.
Uh-huh. Oof. Ow.
You dare to hurt measly furball?
I am so fucking dead. God damn it.
Ratchet, what are you doing? Relax. Rescue missions are kind of my thing. Now, how do I lower the containment field?
Yeah, I don't have a lot of health. I think if I
These
get...
cables must lead to some sort of power supply. Follow them and destroy the containment generators.
Mr. Zircon is bored.
Yeah. If I have to... Oh, God. Things are going to spawn once I move this. Are they? No? Oh, is there any health? I need health. God damn it. I need to find some health or like one hit and I'm gonna die. Maybe 2 hits. Uh-huh. Oh, oh fuck, I'm gonna get hit by these lasers. Oh, I knew it. God damn it, I was trying to go there. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, now we have a little bit more health coming through here. Oh god. That's what was meant to happen. God damn it. Oh my god, lasers. Wait, why? What? 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 Oh, there we go.
Containment generator gamma deactivated.
Uh-huh. Oh. Right, so that's number one. Now we have 2 more to get. Alrighty. Right, we have a little bit more health this time. Still upset that I died, but whatever.
Forget about me. Go. Get to the clock. Save the Lombaxes.
Yeah, that's not happening. I'm not just gonna leave you to die. Whoa.
Containment generator beta deactivated.
What the hell triggered that? Oh shit. Whee. Alrighty. Up we go, and up we go. Whee. Yes. One more.
Reinforcements will be here any minute. You have to go.
Nope, not happening. I'm not going to leave you to die. Oh, I thought that was going to click. Oh, God, camera, please. Throw. God, we got a lot of fucking bolts, considering on how we spent... Didn't we spend like 42,000 on the buzz blades? Oh, heat surfaces must be cooled first to avoid damage. Ah, that's right. Give me the water. And splash this onto it. And now it becomes walkable. And if we don't, it just does a shit ton of damage to us and we can't stand on it. I don't know why, because Ratchet has boots on. So, it doesn't make a lot of sense, but it is what it is. There we go. Come on.
Containment generator
Yes.
alpha deactivated.
Uh-huh.
Ratchet, the release lever's exposed.
Uh-huh. There we go. I saved you!
I know. It was touch and go there for a while. But the old Lombax instinct kicked in and,
Fool. I told you to leave me. You shouldn't have come back.
Wow. That was not the reaction I was expecting. You know, General, it's not like I've been here just sitting around all day. I've traveled back in time, found out what happened to Orvis.
Back in time? When? How far?
Not far enough.
It's just... We're the only ones who can fix the past. I'm proud of you, Ratchet.
Come on. It's time to go.
Yeah, that wasn't the kind of reaction I was
We're
expecting.
getting out of here. Both of us.
Yeah, that really was not the... Whoa, hold on, I got just the thing for you guys. This is the mating call. Okay, give me all this health. Oh, I don't even need it. Buzz blades. Buzz blades, they take a really long time to actually level up because you can fire them so often. Okay. Oh wait, is there something down here that I'm forgetting? No. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go, Azimuth. Yeah, the buzz blades.
Off this ship without a fight. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Yeah, the buzz blades take a very long time to actually level up because you can just fire them so fast. So that it just doesn't matter. You're always doing damage to a target. But if you can get these things to like level 10, oh, dreamy. Absolutely dreamy. Well, you get the negotiator. Give me all these bolts. Alright, we don't want to buy anything just yet. God damn, Azimuth. He looks angry. Right, we got a fight ahead of us. God damn, old man. Whee!
Looks like they locked down the hangar bay doors. Cover me while I hack the terminal.
Okay, so he's just gonna do shit there, and we gotta... Oh. Not cool.
We were just getting to get a hollow.
I don't believe it. Porcelain's entire flight log is on here. I've downloaded the data to my app. Give me just a few moments.
Oh, God. Oh, I love this gun.
Got it. Opening hangar bay doors now.
Oh, shit. Well, okay. God damn it. Oh, we got no rockets left. Oh, shit. We can only shoot the gun. Come on. Oh, we're shooting azimuth. Am I doing no damage? What the hell? Come on. There we go. Let's move. And there we go.
I'll radio as soon as I'm clear. Thanks for saving an old Lombax, Ratchet.
You are welcome. Yeah, that him talking there pretty much cuts off perfectly with if you just go there and then press triangle to get in the ship. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fast. Yep, there goes his ship. Huh.
Ratchet, are you all right? Did you clear the ship?
Yeah, I'm clear. Were you able to decrypt Vorsalon's flight data?
They were encoded with a double hexagonal holokey, but one of the files was unprotected. It looks like coordinates to the Bernelia sector.
Well, it's not much, but it's our only lead. Upload them to my ship and I'll meet you there. Ratchet out.
Alrighty, but before we do that, we're gonna get one more Zony to get an upgrade. And they're kind of just hanging around throughout the galaxy. So... Whee! Oh, come on, little guy. This place is dangerous. Come here, you. Oh, well, okay. There we go. Back to Aphelion. And yep, off we go. Ship upgrade. What did we get? Kinetic Demolisher. This Zony blaster fires orbs of pure energy capable of ricocheting off targets and maximizing your effectiveness in battle. Hold triangle to swap. I forgot you could swap weapons in this too. Hold triangle. I forgot that we could do this. Oh, they're so much better. And they're pinky purple too, so we just... Awesome. All right, but we are off to the Bernilius sector. And we're going back to Clank.
So, what is next on our temporal to-do list?
Well, most of the planets are repaired. I ordered us a new quantum entanglement modulator, and time cleaners are eating away the residual facility rifts, so only one last thing to do. Test mnemonic station Iota.
Uh-huh. Oh. Here we are. The Great Clock, Sector 4. Teleports different locations of the Great Clock. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Let's just continue. Hey, guys. Oh, ha, ha. There we go. Take that back. Oh, well, fucking flipped you too. Come on, before he goes up. There we go. Now this one will... Oh, there's a gold bolt there. Oh, yeah, the gold bolt. It's in the fast-moving one. We don't need to get that. I have gotten all of them before.
In temporal substation Delta.
I have gotten all of them before, but I'm just doing a Let's Play fashion thing, so I really don't see the point. Okay, is this the last time that we're with Clank? Yeah, I think it is. So, red, down, up, door open. Alrighty. So, yellow will go over here. And that's one thing for the door. Green will go up here. There. Okay, so red. Go back on here. Lower that. Gets on. Open the door. Go. Whoa. Oh, I fucked it up. God damn it. Hold on. Up he goes. Open the doors. Shut the doors. Up. Yeah. 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 Oh, wait, hold on. That activates that. And there we go. Okay, so now this is going to be blue's turn. Just got to wait for my red one to lift it up. Just wait till it lifts it up the proper way. Okay, and that goes there. Okay, so blue and red is all good. Yellow gets trapped in there. Green goes up there and activates that. Okay, so we need to be blue. Green, sorry. Green. And... oh, shit. Come on, get on it properly. Come on, and red and blue should do their thing. There we go. Easy, right? If you're a highly intelligent gamer such as myself. Oh god, you little assholes. Oh well, kind of pointless throwing that fucking time bomb. Ow. Okay. So, my entire game crashed again, and I had to do that entire puzzle again. So, we are right back to where we were. Oh, God. Just swing at everything. Oh, come on, don't you move when you spit like that. Oh, okay. There was more than that last time, wasn't there? Hey, Sigmund. There we go. Oh. Smack that. And now it's fixed. Okay, so the game had another glitch, and for some reason it just would not work. So this station was broken, but we had to smack it, and it registered that it was fixed? Okay, I got it to work, and now this is the beginning of the inside of the chamber that we were just in.
Hello.
Oh, it's you. You gave the old ticker a start. What are you doing all the way out here?
These are my memory banks.
Your memory banks? Oh, I must have taken a wrong turn somewhere. I thought I was in that green fella's head, what with all the emptiness. Oh, well, no matter. Aha! Here's the culprit. Now, what could this thingamajig be doing cluttering your brain?
That is Ratchet's Omni-Wrench.
Ratchet. Oh, yeah, furry little fella. Don't think I've ever seen you without him. Ooh, you two ain't on the outs, are you?
No, we are still friends, but I have new responsibilities.
Moving on, huh? Well, we're all trying to find our own path in the universe. The hard part is taking those first steps. Come on, I'll give you a boost. Go Go ahead. If he's your friend, he'll understand.
Are you coming?
Plumbers don't just go diving down strange pipes all willy-nilly. That'd be ridiculous. No, this one you'll have to do alone. Oh, and by the way, I wouldn't risk any more than 6 minutes.
Yeah, what he said just then.
How does it work? I thought I saw some strange neural activity there for a second.
Blockage detected in antimatter turbine 8. Repeat, blockage detected in antimatter turbine 8.
Yeah, so what that plumber dude just then, like what he said was, plumbers don't go down pipes all willy-nilly, that'd be ridiculous. That's, like, they're talking about Mario, and how Luigi and Mario just jump down pipes all the time. I'm fairly certain that that is a reference to Mario.
Malfunction detected in jet particle accelerator.
Oh, good.
Diagnostic.
Ow. Jesus Christ. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, God, we need health, we need health, we need health, we need health. Yeah. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Come on, let's just go. Let's just continue. Oh, God, I finally got it to work. Okay, let's try this. Okay. 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 So now we need yellow to go across. Wait for him. Wait for blue to do that. Oh, I should have gotten blue to step off it, god damn it. There we go. Okay, back to yellow. Alrighty, what does this one do? Lowers that. Brings everyone up. And yellow will stand on this one. What now? Let's red. Is there enough time for me to get there as red? Nah, god damn it, not enough time. Okay, so red, yellow. Come on, blue. Activate that. Now yellow gets up here, activates that. We stand on here for a little bit of time, enough for everybody to get across. And then... oh wait, hold on. We can make yellow stand on here like that to open up that. And then we can make yellow go over here. Okay, let's do red again. Righty, so we need to go, go, go. Go, go, go. Okay. Alright, now yellow gets off. Red goes here. Because yellow's coming around. Red will stand in here, like so. Blue comes here, activates this, and lowers that like that. Holy shit. And blue, and also red. And blue goes into the middle here. So now we can just play as green and get over there without having to touch a single thing, because our past selves are going to do all of that. Now blue gets off, yellow goes up there, yellow goes onto the platform, red's coming over as well as blue and me, yellow jumps off that one. Alrighty, blue goes to the middle, red goes to the left, yellow opens the door for the red one, and then yellow goes over to that one. Yes, yes, yes. Go on, yellow, go on, yellow, go on. There we go. That is the most difficult one in the entire game, and I just completed it. Hoorah! Oh god, there's a Oh, I knew there was going to be more of you bastards. Ground slam. Man, this scepter is really fucking durable if it's just getting smacking around everything. Whoa. Whoa, ho, ho. Oh. The regifter. Oh, just smacking everything around. Come on. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That was close. Ah, the platform is up. Oh, don't shoot at me yet, please. Yes. Oh, it's going further away. Oh, God. No. Okay. Land. Come on, Sigmund is right there. Land on the platform. Yes. Oh. The Orvis chamber. And our feet. There's a place where our feet are meant to go. Sigmund's meant to be talking right now, but he's not talking. He's basically meant to be saying this is the main control hub of the entire facility. Proceed to the Orvis chamber. Oh.
Come on! Here it is. Your father went to great lengths to protect this room from those who would abuse it.
Control terminal activated.
So Sigmund's never even set foot in this place
He
either.
loved you very much, you know. He was always XJ0461 this and XJ0461 that. I'm supposed to play this for you. It's sort of an orientation message.
Hello, XJ0461. Or should I say, clank? Here, in this very chamber, I watched over time. And now that you understand the power of the clock, I must ask that you protect it at all costs. For even the slightest misuse of its power can rip the very fabric of existence. The clock, much like time itself, is a gift and not to be tampered with. But like any father, my only wish is that my...
I'm sorry. Were you in the middle of something?
Lawrence!
Protect the chamber!
I've got you now. Take this, and now the haymaker! Victory! In your face!
He's a fucking head.
What is it?
You were correct, sir. Clank led us straight to the Orvis chamber.
Splendid! Notify the Valkyries. It's time for... Unnecessarily Evil Initiative Omega 91!
Right away, sir.
Ready for your massage, Dr. Nefarious?
I didn't send for a massage. Go away!
Would you cut me a break, pal?
I mean, would you just open the door, please?
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Quark. God, man.
Now entering Bernilius sector.
The Bernilius sector. Oh, we got a boss fight right now, don't we? Yeah.
Ratchet, come in. I just picked up a looping transmission on one of the emergency frequencies. Tell me what you make of this.
I don't believe it. That's a distress call with Clank's signature. Aphelion, can you track the source?
The origin appears to be Planetopedia. Acquiring coordinates now.
Just think. By tonight, your friend will be safe and the clock will be ours. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Yeah, Azimuth is very like, ooh, the clock will be ours, you know? He's very... I don't know.
Bonjour, Monsieur Lombax. I see you picked up on our little signal. Unfortunately, this is as far as you go.
It's Karina. Oh, good. Oh, good. Karina! Missiles, missiles. Oh, she's about to put up a force field. This one is actually a lot easier to do, in my opinion, because all you have to do is just rip out the things that activate her shields. So you don't even have to worry about the other little ads in the fight. You can just focus on her. Come on. And pull that. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Almost dead, almost dead, almost dead. This is a very easy fight. Yes. Well.
Helion, give me a status update on Clank's transmission.
The coordinates appear to be accurate, but the signal has weakened by 72.3%.
That means Clank's in trouble. Hold on, pal. I'm coming.
Uh-huh. Straight for this planet. Vapedia. That's a beautiful name for a planet. Vapedia. Planet Vapedia. It's also a very beautiful planet in-game.
Clank's distress call terminates somewhere inside the Citadel.
Uh-huh.
This calls for a classic smash and grab.
Uh-huh. But right now, we're actually going to end the episode here, because there was a few glitches there, and I had to actually turn my PS3 off like 5 times. It was actually super, super annoying, and it just... I don't know. I'll have to make... hopefully I've edited it correctly to the point to where there's a very decent game, like video, but that is going to do it for this episode. This place is really, really pretty. I want to keep this whole planet into, like, one whole video, because we won't be playing as Clank anymore. Clank is done, and we would do at the very, very, very end of the game, but right now we're not going to be doing any of the Ratchet, then Clank, then Ratchet, then Clank, then Ratchet, then Clank. We're not doing that anymore. It's just solely Ratchet for pretty much the entire rest of the game now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying, because I am, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.